So hey guys, welcome back to my new fresh video guys. So today in this video we are going to see all about the select statement and how to use the query, how to see the table and everything. We are going to see all about the select statement. So if you are new to the channel guys, please like, share and subscribe our video, and let's talk about the select statement. Okay, so first of all I will explain you with the simple sentence which says that the select statement, it is used to select the data from the database. Okay, so basically the select statement is used to select the data which is present in the database. Okay, so here is a simple syntax, okay, so in which we are going to see about the selecting the column which is present in the table. Okay, so here is an syntax. Let's select the syntax and just we will run here in the SQL. Okay, so first of all I will show you our table. So our table looks like this, and just we are going to, so we are running this query for the particular column to see the particular column. Okay, so we are going to see about the only and only name columns. Okay, so here is the query which looks like this, as like the select name from the employees. Okay, here is the name is the column name, and here employees is the table name, and just select the query and run it, and here you can see that only the name column has shown. Because why? Because we have run the query only and only about the single column. Okay, now we are going to see about the table. Okay, so we are going to see now all about the how we can get visible about the full table. Okay, so for that here is a simple query about it. It is like select all, it means asterisk from employees table, and here is a colon, and just run it. Here you can see that full table is visible in front of us. Okay, now we will move through the further part. Okay, so here it is like the select distinct column name from the table name. It is means the select of the particular column from the table in which there should not be repeated of the values. Okay, there will be an unique values. So just we will write here column name as name and table name as employee, and just we will run it, and here you can't find the duplicate values. Here you can see the all values are unique. So this was all about the selecting the query and running in the SQL. So if you're new to the channel guys, please like, share and subscribe for the more video, and let's see you in the next video guys.